I'm Jeff Pearson, president of Taylor Shellfish Company. We're a family-run farm that grows shellfish all around Washington State and now Canada as well. We're currently the largest shellfish producer in North America. Our goal is to have food as fresh as possible. Between when it leaves the bed and when someone eats it. No one knows all of the steps that it took along the way, but every one of those steps is important because we are trying to serve, in a lot of cases, still a live product. Time is very critical, and we used to literally do it on the back of a piece of cardboard in the plant and try and mark off what the customer may need and try and sort out who was getting which product, and certainly we've evolved a long way from that.
Since I've been here, Taylor's have roughly doubled in U.S. sales, and the international piece has become a very important part of what we do as well. But here in the U.S., we have not had to change any of our support staff numbers by using technology. Microsoft's variety of products has allowed us to stay focused and involve the computer systems much more in what we do.
When we started with Taylor Shellfish, they were on a rudimentary Active Directory that had not been working fairly well from a previous installation, and so we have been with them since then to bring them up to 2008 Active Directory and an Exchange 2007, soon to be 2010, Hyper-V virtualization. Taylor Shellfish really took a strong stance on their technology to help further their business and make IT work for the business instead of them working for the IT. Hyper-V virtualization has given us the ability to stay within Taylor Shellfish's budget to roll out new technology.
We have one person who has IT responsibilities. With System Center Essentials, we've actually been able to give him even more responsibilities outside the realm, those associated with maintaining the computer systems.
Jorge, as IT director, was spending a lot of time working on the desktops and running around trying to manage those desktops. And so by putting in a management center specifically, we were actually looking at other tools for virtualization and things like that. And System Center Essentials really fit the bill based on that it could do desktops, servers, and the virtualization monitoring and management.
They help us, they orientate us in technology. I come with ideas, we sit together, we analyze what we have, what we can do, and how we can do, and after they help me to implement the technology. And also they are my close connection between Microsoft, so they are my backup.
So today, Taylor Shellfish uses IT in a very strategic way. They're able to produce the reports and send them to the phones of the executive business owners. They're able to track sales daily through the use of IT, which they did not have the ability to do before.
It's important to get that information flowing on a lot of different levels, but as quickly as possible, turn that information over. And ultimately, it all plays into getting fresh quality shellfish to the customer.
Our industry is one that typically has not been heavily using technology, and I think that's helped us to become an even greater leader in our field.